All right, y'all, I want to talk to you guys today about trust. This is my man Zach. He's been coming to me for a long time, and I just informed him that today we're going to be doing a left hand challenge, guys. So I'm super right-handed, absolutely terrible at everything with my left hand. I know he's a little scared sitting here, but we're going to clean it up after. But my challenge today, guys, is to do an entire haircut. He gets a bald fade all the way around with my left hand. All right, guys, I am going to do this totally left-handed. I'm standing on the opposite side, brush in my right, trimmer in my left. We're going to try this out. So I want to go ahead and challenge some of my other YouTube barbers. As I get started, I'm gonna challenge my man Tank B Choppin', Cuts by Reggie, Bossio Cuts. We'll throw Marty Blends in there. Oh man, this is awkward. Whoever else wants to do the challenge, I'm gonna challenge you. So full bald fade with your non-dominant hand. So not necessarily a left-handed challenge, but I wanna see a full fade. Guys, this is difficult. Full fade with your offhand. So you guys can see, I mean, just gotta slow down and be a little more precise because I could easily just jerk that trimmer up into there. But so far so good. I'm gonna do my same steps as I always do. I told him, man, this might turn out, honestly, just as good as a haircut he would get, you know, down the street somewhere. So a little bit weird, I'm gonna be honest. I'm totally not left-handed, so this is super awkward. This is crazy. I can't even get back here. But yeah, guys, you guys know we go through the motions so easy. I almost just switched hands to get this. You see, like, it's so natural to cut the way that we cut, and this is totally weird. I mean, I can't even maneuver this thing right, but we're gonna get it done. So I wanna see you guys, if you are a YouTube barber, I wanna see you do the challenge. Guys, comment down below and tag some barbers that you guys wanna see. You guys, if you didn't know, you can @ them on YouTube. So if you @ Get Beamed or @ Bossio Cuts, it should inform them, and let's see them do this challenge. Yeah, baby. Guys, I always asked when you're left-handed with a right-handed clipper, is this how you do the lever? So my guy Dre told me index finger to push it up, thumb to push it down. So we're gonna test it out here. I'm gonna go ahead and just fade his beard in a little bit, lever all the way open. Hey, if I put out a banging haircut right here, I might have to just start. That's what Zach asked me. You trying to be an ambidextrous barber? Like, not necessarily. Definitely can't hurt though, guys. I do actually clipper over comb right here with my left hand because the hair grows forward and it is just easier to do it that way. So I'm not totally uncomfortable with a clipper in my left hand. It does feel like super weird. Honestly, the trimmer felt the craziest. But I mean, of course it feels weird. This is the opposite of what I normally do, but we're gonna get him together. I got extra time today, so he didn't really volunteer. I told him to come early. He didn't know why. And then he got here and I told him I'm gonna cut his hair left-handed. But we got time to clean him up after. Any, you know, little spots we see or something like that, I can clean him up. But hey, I might be able to put out a presentable haircut. You guys, you just really gotta slow down, kind of, you know, make sure your little licks are a little more accurate. So there's that. We'll go ahead and come in with the shaver, connect his sideburn in, go ahead and bald all this out. I'm telling you, it's gonna be all right. I might figure something out here. See, there's some hair behind his ear I couldn't get. It's a little bit weird. It's funny though, even, you know, guys, I'm right-handed, but I'm used to having my brush in my left hand, and it's even awkward to have my brush in my right hand. As much as I'm right-handed, I'm good at brushing with my left. No different, guys. I'm sticking to my system. We'll really know if my system works by using my left hand. So oh, see, I almost switched. Can't do it. But yeah, I want to see. I haven't put out my own YouTube challenge yet. My man Tank put out one saying using the skin clipper from Gamma, and I told y'all I had a challenge coming, and here we are today. So I definitely want to see a few other people try it. I think it'd be fun. You know, guys, cutting hair sometimes gets a little bit monotonous. Doing YouTube is the same way, and you know, something like this kind of keeps it fun. So far so good. I remember to brush. I'm totally out of my element here. This is the hardest one for me, just getting behind the ear and getting all this consistent. All right, yeah, baby. So far so good. All right, guys, so just like normal, we're gonna do our open section. Oh my goodness. The flicking out is gone. All right, we just gotta slow it down. Oh yeah, open section with the Babyliss, just like I would. Just slowing it down, nice clean open section. Hey, I'll tell you what, if this haircut turns out good with that, I'm on to something here. I might have to start training myself with my left hand. It's messed up. None of my barbers would let me do it on them, but my clients trust me. That's power right there. All right, so open section, guys. I'm leaving myself some room so that if I do, you know, make him look crazy, I'm gonna have some room to come in. He gets a pretty high bald fade, so I should have some room to clean it up. So far, you know, it's not looking crazy. Now it's the taking the lines out and blending everything together that I think is gonna be hard. Oh yeah, this is super awkward. But yeah, man, you guys tag your barbers, your favorite YouTube barbers down below, and let's get everybody to try this. It's not easy. Not to mention, guys, you know, we're such creatures of habit and repetition, so this is super weird. I'm standing in a different spot. I'm using, obviously, my wrong hand. All right, there's our open section. Pretty nice so far. We'll go ahead and close this clipper up. This is where it's gonna get hard, guys. I'm gonna try my technique, my normal technique, finger against the head. We're just gonna scoop out the bald line. Oh yeah, baby. Man, hardest part for sure is behind the ear. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good though. Oh, went a little high there. My man Tim got a haircut earlier and he wouldn't let me do this on him. When he sees how good this turns out, he's gonna be mad. Man, this is super difficult though, guys. The more precise you have to be, obviously the harder it is. So, but it's gonna come together. I can tell already. It's gonna be it's probably better than what you can get down the street. All right, there's our close. Go ahead and go to the second or third notch, up a little bit higher. Guys, this is gonna turn out. I mean, this is gonna be a passable haircut. I'm telling you, that's the hardest spot right there. My left arm's gonna be tired as hell. I don't know if I can do the other side. I got to for the challenge, I guess, but man, left hand is tired. Yeah, baby. What if it was like better than your normal haircut? That'd be wild. Man, come on. All right, we're going fourth notch. Just a little bit left here. I'm gonna use some corners. A little bit dark spot back here behind the ear. Man, guys, I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of shocked right now. Oh, went a little high. See, that's the hard part. You just don't have the finesse, guys. And after all these years of cutting hair, the real thing about cutting hair is the finesse of the clipper. So we want to get in, get our line, and get off the head. So that is definitely the hardest part of this. I'll tell you what, man, we're gonna make it happen. It is not looking that bad. You don't know how bad it's like. I'm having to stop myself from switching hands just by habit. So boom, there's our open section. I'll tell you what. Come on, DC. What? Left-handed, baby. Look at that. Come on. You gonna cut my hair left-handed? All right, open one. Same thing. We're gonna go up. Go up about a ½ inch. I'm telling you, I might not have to redo this whole haircut. I'm just gonna have to clean up a couple spots. Honestly, it might be okay. It's looking good. Behind the ear, guys, definitely the hardest part. It's kind of funny though. I'm slowing down so much because it's uncomfortable that it's actually, I'm almost being more precise than I am when I'm just going full speed with my dominant hand. So, I mean, I'm telling you, you guys are watching. This is turning out okay. Like, it don't look that crazy. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and connect to the top. I'm get my comb, coming down, a little finesse into the top. Oh man, I got no finesse, guys. I am totally not left-handed. Am I beating you up? You feel okay? You good? I'm telling you, I'm shocked right now at how good this is turning out. I ain't got to redo this. I'm not even playing. I thought it was gonna be absolutely terrible. And you don't have bad hair, but you don't have, like, some people have hair that's literally I could just about close my eyes and give them a good haircut. Like, but your hair's not the easiest. I've tried to cut you for videos before and been like, it's not exactly what I wanted or whatever. All right, close two underneath that. I'm telling you guys, I think the slowing down because it's so uncomfortable is actually making it more accurate. Even though I'm not left-handed, it's like, man, I mean, this is coming together. I got like one line left. Now I'm beating him up. I can see his head moving. Oh, that's what you don't want to hear when you get a haircut. Oh, look at that. One more line left, I'm telling you. We're just gonna fade our way down. So that was a closed two, half open, 1.5, right through there. I'm shocked. Hell, if you guys are just barbers and you want to attempt it, tag me on Instagram or something. Just a little reel or something. Let's see what you got. Let's see what this little left hand challenge can do. And guys, I promise, if you don't believe me, the letters are right. So I didn't reverse the camera. This is actually my left hand. You guys know I got tattoos, so you could tell if this was my other hand, but I might do the other side right-handed and see which one looks better, because this is looking good. I'll tell you this, no offense, but you wouldn't be able to tell the difference. If I didn't even tell you and did this, you'd be like, yep, looks good. All right, back to the open one, guys. I'm just going right underneath where that 1.5 is. That's a problem. I keep almost hitting that lever. See, I just did it again. On the open, you gotta watch hitting that lever and closing it up. We'll open it up, connect to the 1.5, lots of corners. Then we'll start to work on that bottom line. My right hand's just hanging out over here like it don't know what to do. I'm not really brushing, am I? All right, about done with the open one. See a little line, I'm gonna come back with my 1.5, take this line out. Then we'll work on that last line, guys. I'm telling you right now, I'm gonna start charging extra and saying, if you want it with my left hand, it's extra. It's extra good. All right, we did the open one, closed one, right above this line. We gotta be careful here, guys. This is where we could potentially botch the whole haircut. So just trying to get this line. We're just gonna soften the line. You guys know if you watch my content, We're not gonna get the line all the way out. We're gonna need the half guard. We're just trying to soften it, and then we'll come in with the half guard and be done with this side. I'm impressed. It's kind of fun to impress yourself, guys, every now and then, especially when you've been doing it for so long. I thought this was gonna be totally ugly, if I'm being honest. I thought I was gonna just have to do a whole haircut over again. But I'll tell you what, it just takes a little bit of extra control. Now, I am not gonna try to line his beard up with my left hand because I don't wanna lose his beard. We are gonna hit the vertical bar though. All right, guys, last but not least, half guard, halfway open. We should be able to tie all this together. Man, I'm telling you, I'm shocking myself right now. Woohoo! Woohoo! Hey, come on, man. Left-handed. Left-handed. Honestly, might have just came together easier than it does with my right hand because I'll be doing too much. That's money. That looks good. All right, guys, we're gonna hit this little edge right here. Man, I gotta be careful. I gotta stay out the camera. This shouldn't be that bad. Just be easy, touch it to the head and slide it over. We're gonna take off very little. I'm not gonna put a razor on him. Guys, this is really, I just wanted to do the fade. I'm not trying to cut him or cut his beard off or anything like that. So if you guys wanna take it the extra mile and razor line somebody or whatever, that's getting a little risky. So that's all we're gonna do. Just a haircut, line up. I'm not gonna cut the top. Really just the offhand fade challenge. But there's side number one, guys. I ain't gonna lie to you. I am shocked at how good that turned out. I might honestly not have to cut that again. That's money. I'm shocked right now. All right, guys, that is it for the left-handed challenge. I can't take it anymore. My left hand's tired. But like I said, tag your barbers in the comments down below and let them know they need to try this challenge. If you guys like this content, do me a favor, smash that thumbs up. Make sure you guys are subscribed, of course, and I will catch you guys next time. Lefty.